This is Gadgets Magazine TV, and here's the latest news.
Toyota is offering a new customer experience for Filipino consumers who are exploring a shift from conventional car ownership to usership. KINTO One, the product package offered by Toyota Financial Services Philippines, allows customers to select from Toyota models and drive the car for 3 or 4 years. It is a full-service lease package with no down payment required. The fixed monthly subscription covers vehicle registration, annual comprehensive insurance, and regular, periodic, and preventive maintenance. Once the subscription term is completed, the customer simply returns the vehicle to Toyota Financial Services. Monthly terms are based on the car model, mileage option of 15,000, 20,000, or 30,000 kilometers per year, and lease period of 36 or 48 months. The car models available are the Vios 1.5G automatic transmission, the Rush 1.5G automatic transmission, Fortuner 2.4G automatic transmission diesel, and Corolla Altis 1.8V HV. As an example, the Vios 1.5G with a light mileage option of 15,000 kilometers will cost 28,478 pesos a month for a 4-year term. KINTO One is available in all Toyota Metro Manila dealers.